welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and we are here for another unboxing. Yes, we are here for another unboxing of Louis Vuitton. Okay, here's the box right here. I didn't ask him to wrap it, but he said he would wrap it. When I looked in the bag, it was not wrapped. So he just put it in the bag and put it in this box. So I guess that's his wrapping. Oh well. So this is the flat box with magnetic closures. There's the magnetic closures right there and right there. Okay, and then inside, yes, is the sleeper bag, yes. And then inside, let's get it all taken care of. All right, so inside is the Damier Ebene Neverfull. GM size, yes. But we can make sure it holds everything in it. And then for when you want to dislodge this, hook it on your wrist and use it as a wristlet, you can do that too. So I really love this print. I struggled back and forth, between the monogram, the Damier Ebene, brand new. I know some people say it's hard to find, but it's not. And actually, this price of this bag is cheaper, actually, than the website that I went to prior to purchasing it. So I decided, hey, why don't I get a brand new Neverfull GM instead of buying a used one that might be, typically what they say is in excellent condition, and then there's always something, wrong. I mean, there could be something wrong with this one. So because I'm looking at the stitching right now because this is the first time that I am looking at it. I love it. I've been wanting it for travel purposes. That's what I say, but I probably will use it for just everyday use, just cinch it in on the sides and, use for everyday use. I am all about making it work when you spend this type of money on a purse. So, yeah. I love the red interior. It's just, I don't know, it's eye-catching. It goes well. It speaks to me. And that is it. Neverfull. I know that you've seen it before. It's been revealed before. I'm glad that it's my time to do the revealing. Because I have been wanting this bag for a while. When I first the things that go on in my house, this is all I'm saying. When I first looked at this and was going to purchase it, I was like, no, that's okay. Let me get something else. But this time I was like, let's do it. Let's make the deal, seal the deal where I can have it. And we can, sometimes we have a bucket list of places that we want to go. Well, I have like a bucket list of items that I would like to purchase. And this is now checked off on my bucket list. Wow, I didn't even tell you the item number. Hold on. I got this little card inside where my receipt is. That's what I got inside. And then for the receipt, it just says Neverfull GM NM. I don't know what NM means. And then it's a D, Damier, and then it's Ebene, EBE. And that's how they make the spelling shorter. And then it's a N as in Nancy 41357. And the person that I dealt with his name was Bob. That is it for today. Louis Vuitton, Damier Ebene, Neverfull, GM, checked off, done. We can move on now.